This is Mech 407 Industrial Internet of Things. This is setting up an MQTT setup over local area network. First, we're going to open up TigerView, input the Wi-Fi IP address for the Raspberry Pi, and then enter the credentials for the Raspberry Pi. So our Raspberry Pi is going to be our broker, or is going to work as our MQTT broker. Then in TigerView, open terminal, input ifconfig, and we're doing this so that we could check our Ethernet port, which is ETH0, and check its IP address. And it looks good, so now we're going to put mosquito space -d to set up a daemon in mosquito. Then open a terminal, and then we're going to write mosquito subscriber or sub, the IP address of the broker, which is our Pi in this case, and then the name of our topic, which could be anything, but in this case it's just called test topic. And then we click enter, and now our subscriber is set up. And then we're going to open a new terminal. Oh, nope, not that one. We're open a new terminal, and then we're going to write mosquito publish our IP address, our broker IP address, our topic name, and then our message, which in this case is testing broker. And you see in the subscriber, the message was sent, so we're good. Next, we are going to open up another terminal, and then we're going to enter, and then we'll write ping, the IP address of our PLC, of a PLC, and then /C4 to specify the amount of packages we want to send. So we sent 4 packages and 0 packages were lost. That means our connection is good. And then we're going to just repeat that for the other IP addresses, or sorry, the other PLCs. So we're going to write in the next PLC's IP address. 0 packages were lost, so we're good. And then we're going to write we're going to ping our last PLC's IP address. And 0 packages are lost, so we're good. Next, we're going to open command prompt on desktop, and then we're going to write ping the broker's IP address, which is 192.168.0.4 ping, and we have 0 packages lost, so connection between our PC and broker, or our PC and Raspberry Pi is good. Next, we're going to open MQTT Explorer. We're going to change the name to whatever you want. In this case, we're just going to name it the project name, which is MQTT LAN. We're going to change our host to the broker's IP address. So 192.168.0.4. Protocol needs to be MQTT. Port needs to be 188.333, and username password nothing. Connect. And this is going to be our publisher for the computer. Oh, sorry, this is going to be our subscriber for the computer. Next, we're going to write mosquito, publish, IP address, topic name, and then our message, which is in this case message for PC. And then if we look on MQTT Explorer, we receive the message. Next, open Click Programming Software. In this case, since I already have a project set up, I'm just going to open that one. But in normal cases, you would, if you didn't have one set up, you would connect to PLC, and then you would select PLC to connect to. You would connect to it if all its IP address and subnet are correct, and then you would click Don't Read Project from PLC and connect to it, and then you would go to Navigations, Function, COM port 1 setup, and then MQTT client. Then enable Publish and enable MQTT. Input all of your stuff, and yep. Test topic, the message you want to send. And then you want to go to Navigation, Program, Monitor, Data View 1. Open it, set up these in the table. And then you want to go to PLC, write project to PLC. And then we just gotta wait for it to catch up. And then we check COM port, and then our IP address and our subnet mask should be that one. So have that equal what you have in documentation. And then click OK, write project to PLC, yes, proceed. And then hold up. And then reopen data view. Nope. I mean reopen data view, not close it again. And then if we were to turn off, and then click on again, we would have sent a message to test topic. I see your message, and now message from PLC 11. And nothing happened. Oh, because we didn't update our current value. Our current value has stayed the same. So now we actually update it. Now turn off, turn it back on. So now we have 3 messages that say message from PLC. Okay, and then next we want to close that data view, open another instance of Click Programming Software. Close it out, open the existing project, click the next one, and then go to PLC, connect to the next PLC, don't read, and then go to Navigation, Function, COM port 1, MQTT client, enable, add, input everything, and then right here our payload, our message is wrong, so we want to update our message to, instead of 2 to 12, and then everything's good, so click OK. And then we want to save this since we changed it, and then we want to go to PLC, write to project, check our IP and subnet mask. Yep. Click OK. Proceed. proceed, then we wait, and then and then it automatically sends a message. But to show that it's not a fluke, let's go into data view, turn our messages off, send another one. So now if we open history, or no, sorry, if we were to just do this again, you can see that the number of messages changed to 7, and now we have 3 messages from PLC 12. And then open another instance of Click Programming Software. And then just repeat the same steps as last time. Open project, connect to PLC, select the PLC, and connect, making sure the IP and subnet masks are correct. Don't read, okay. And then navigation, go to function, COM port 1 setup, MQTT client, input everything, and then change our message to message from PLC 3 to message from PLC 13. Click OK. Should be connected to our topic, and all of our credentials are set up. And then we want to save that. Go to PLC, write to PLC. Just wait in. Check COM port setups. IP and subnet masks are correct. Okay. Proceed. Proceed. And then we just wait for it to load. And then in navigation, go to Program, Monitor, Data View 1, and then sure, that's fine. And then we want to send another message. So now there are 9 messages. Turn it off. Now there's 10 messages. And then you can see there's messages from PLC 13. And yeah, that's everything. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.